60% of people can't cover a surprise $1,000 bill without going into debt. Here's how to never be one of them. Your car doesn't care that rent's due Friday. Life doesn't wait for payday. So skip the $10,000 fantasy. Start with $500. That's it. Enough to cover one disaster without touching a credit card. Quick math. $20 a week is basically 2 coffees. 6 months later, that's $500. Done. Every bonus, refund, tax return, or birthday cash, it's not going to Amazon. It's going straight into the account you forget exists. Hit $500, don't stop. Double it, then triple it. Until you've got 3 months of expenses sitting there, untouched, judging your past decisions. That's the $10,000 challenge. Follow for step 2 before your fridge decides today's the day.